Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing both your green screen footage and the background image or plate into Premiere Pro. Place the background on video 1 and the green screen clip on video 2 so you can see through. Once done, confirm the sequence settings match resolution and frame rate to avoid artifacts. This matters because keying works best with matching color space and motion characteristics. Make sure clips are trimmed to the sections you'll composite, and enable high-quality playback. If you have GPU acceleration, to preview keying, you now apply Ultra Key from the Effects panel to the green screen clip, then use the eyedropper to sample a mid-tone green in the frame. After sampling, work through matte generation to remove noise and close holes, increase transparency carefully, and use matte cleanup to choke or soften edges. Once those look okay, switch to spill suppression to remove green spill from hair and edges. Make incremental adjustments while playing the clip. This ensures motion doesn't reveal edge popping or color shifts during action. Finish by matching the foreground to the background using Lumetri color. Adjust exposure, white balance, and contrast so the subject reads as part of the scene. Add a tiny edge feather or directional blur to soften any harsh edges, and render a short preview to check motion and color consistency. If you still see artifacts, create a garbage matte to isolate the subject, run a denoise filter before keying, or resample a cleaner key color. Export with a high bitrate preset to preserve composite quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.